Everyone. Today our classes belong to college algebra. I'm gonna show you how work with the rational expression. What I mean the rational expression. I'm gonna solve some kind of the basic operation like a multiplication. One example is how add, and then another example how divide a rational expression. We have the one concept here about what I mean a rational expression. An expression which can be stated as the quotient of two polynomials with non-zero denominator, of course, is called a rational expression. Okay? I'm going to show you one example like a multiplication, multiply rational expression. Okay, we have one example here. I'm gonna give it to you one problem like 3m squared minus 2m minus 8 over 3m plus 14m plus 8 times, look at this, times let's see, 3m plus 2 over 3m plus 4. This is a multiplication of rational number. Okay, first step is we have to you know how multiply rational numbers, numerator per denominator and denominator per denominator. Okay, and then we are gonna have here this case. We are gonna have you simplify the expression here. You can write it like this: m minus 2 times 3m plus 4. Okay, it is the same thing. This is saying 3m squared minus 2m minus 8. It is the same times, well, over here, of course we divide by m plus 4 times here 3m plus 2. It is the same theme. Times 3m, of course, plus 2 over 3m plus 4. If you simplify this expression, you are going to have here, we are going to have this expression here, m minus 2, whereas 3m here, 3m plus 4, times 3m plus 2 over m, of course, plus 4 times 3m plus 2 times 3m plus 4. That's the next step. Now simplify this expression. You simplify, just cancel the same numbers. Here, for example, you have 3m plus 2 over there, and then we have 3m plus 4, 3m plus 4. You cancel this, and this one. The conclusion will be m minus 2 divided by m plus 4. That's the answer. That's one example how multiply rational expression. This is one example. Let me go now how divide rational expression. Just examples. So one example. Now solve one okay, one example. Let's write here 6p2 minus 7 pq minus 20p squared. Divide this over 6p2 minus 25pq plus 25q squared. Like that. So divide this expression by this rational number, this rational expression divided by let's divide by 6p squared plus 11pq plus 4q squared. Then here over 2p squared plus 9pq plus 4q squared. Equals. Now when you divide a rational number, remember you have to multiply. You multiply numerator por denominator here, denominator times denominator by denominator. Then you are going to have here the expression. If we do that, we are going to have here 2p minus 5q times 3q plus 4 plus 4q. This is p plus q times 2p plus q times p plus 4q. Okay. Over we need to write all numbers there. So 2p minus 5q times 3p plus 4q times 2p plus q times 3p plus 4q. So now simplify all this. You simplify everything here. We need to cancel all the same ones. We're going to have this 3, 5, 5. This is 3. No, this is 5, 5. Let's see, 5q. 5q. Yeah, 5q. Okay. So now we are going to simplify. If you simplify here, you need to start. We need to start to cancel everything here. This 2, 3. You have 3 here. This one. Cancel 3. This one, and then this one, and then you're gonna have then the conclusion. These two we are going to have equals p plus 4q divided by, we have here 3p plus 5q. That's the answer. When you simplify your all rational expression, this is the conclusion, this is the answer. Please check your notes, review, and then we don't have enough time here to show step by step, but we are skipping a step. I don't do in all the steps, just simplify and now get the answer. But this is the process, okay? This is division. Let me show you one problem about addition. Let's add rational expression. Let me write this one, y plus 2 over y minus 1 plus y over y plus 1. So how solve this fraction? It's a rational number. How solve the rational number when you have different denominator? It's not the same denominator, it's different denominator, right? We have to multiply, cross multiply like this. We are going to have here multiply y plus 2 times y plus 1. We're going to have here y plus 2 times y plus 1. Divided by, multiply y minus 1 times y plus 1. So y minus 1 times y plus 1. It's simple. Plus, so the other expression, multiply y times, so y times y minus 1 divided by, of course, for this denominator, y1 plus y plus 1. You have there, so now simplify the expression. If we simplify this expression, multiply this. When you multiply this, we're going to have y squared plus 3y plus 2 divided by the denominator, this denominator. Just write it the same right now. We don't have to simplify yet. So plus the other side, we are going to have y squared minus y. See, divided by the same. Y minus 1 times y plus 1. All right. Simplify. Next step. Simplify all rational expression. When you add it, we are going to have y squared plus 3y plus 2, whereas plus y squared minus y divided by y minus y times y plus 1. No simplify yet. Here you're going to have we're going to have just reduce or combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. You're going to have 2y squared plus 2y, okay, plus 2 divided by y minus 1 times y plus 1. Now simplify the answer. Where is the answer now? The answer will be 2 here. 2 times, you can write a perfect square right here, 2y squared plus y plus 1. This is, just write it like this. Y minus 1 times y plus 1. Okay? That's the answer. This is one example how add rational expression. Okay? Okay, let's go and then let me give it to you, show you how simplify a rational expression. So simplify rational expression. Let's write this rational expression. We are going to write here 8 is a complex plus 1. Look at this, complex number plus 1 divided by 8. But all this you have to divide. You have to divide by 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1. It's like a complex number, right? It's a complex number. Then we are gonna have here, you solve it. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Just follow the step. Here, you are gonna have here the expression. We have, remember, two rational numbers here. Just do the first one and on top, and then that's it. So right here, like a squared. You're gonna have you multiply is a squared plus 1 times what? A plus 1. Just multiply, follow the step. In the bottom, just multiply like this. You're gonna have just the straight a times a plus 1. Multiply this by this. Denominator by denominator, because a different denominator. And the bottom, the same thing. Just cross multiply. You're gonna have in the top. On top, we're gonna have 1 right here. 1 times a plus 1. And then in the bottom, you are gonna have then times here plus 1a, just times 1a here, times plus 1a divided by a times a plus 1. Yeah, like that. Then here equals, try to simplify, no? Just remember, you have one rational number on top, rational number at the bottom. On top, you're gonna have which number? So it's gonna be a squared, plus what else? A plus 1. In the bottom, we are gonna have the same thing. A plus a times a plus 1. Divided by, in the bottom is gonna be 2a plus 1. Over, of course, a times a plus 1. Okay, I think that we are okay. Yeah, of course, we are fine. Now, equals. Continue here. You have to multiply, cross multiply. This is a fraction, rational numbers. The outer numbers times inner numbers. Remember that rule. So if you multiply, you are gonna have here a. Let me write 8. I'm gonna write it 8 times a plus 1. Okay, divide by the same. Times. Look at this. Times what? What expression? Times. We have times. Cross multiply like here. We're gonna write the number right here. A times a plus 1. Over 2a plus 1. Yes, this one. This one multiply. Now you get the answer. Multiply this one for this for like this times. Then we are gonna have, of course, the answer right here. When you multiply this, the answer is gonna be a squared plus what else? 8 plus 1. Divide by 2a plus 1. That's it. Very simple. Just follow direction. Try to review your notes from Algebra 1 and then apply in the rational expression. It's exciting work with rational expression. I enjoy too much when multiply or divide or subtract or simplify rational expression. It's kind of a game. It's very comfortable practice algebra